Okay, Maria, I'm gonna try to run through this real quick because I don't want a long video. So we have a little picture-ish area set up. We have the marker marking the foreground. That's our subject, and the fridges are going to be our background, just for quick reference. So I'm using my f1.4 50mm prime. Prime meaning it can't zoom in or out; it just stays at 50mm. So as of now, this is what our picture looks like. You can see that the foreground is very blurred, as well as the background. I wish I had something a little more detailed so you can see the focus, but basically it's out of focus. I'll snap a picture so you can see it. And I'll put that up. So, but basically everything except the subject is blurred. So the first thing we'll worry about, there's three parts of the picture. There's going to be the f-stop, 1.4, the shutter speed, 181 hundredths of a second, and the ISO. So first we're going to conquer the f-stop. So at this, all we're going to do is we're going to raise the f-stop number. And as you can see, the picture gets darker and darker. But, so basically what's happening is more and more is becoming in focus. Now it's going to be kind of hard to see. Let's see. I'm just going to zoom real quick. So this is what the picture's going to look like. It allows less light in, but it's allowing more in focus. So I'll snap a picture just so you can see it. It's going to be really dark too. But anyway, you see more in focus. So now we'll go back, turn the f-stop to what it used to be, 1.4, and then we'll lower the shutter speed to a quicker shutter speed. So let's say 1/400th of a second. Now it kind of looks like it replicates the other picture, but really this one's just darker, as you know the background and foreground are the same, not very in focus. And then finally, I'll run this one right back down to 181 hundredths of a second, or 81 hundredths of a second. I don't know if I said that right. Then we'll play with ISO. ISO is just computer-generated light. So basically, it makes things look brighter or darker fakely. So if you really bump it up and go to 6400, it makes things look really grainy and fake. I know you can't really see that here. I'll snap a picture so you can see it. You can see how grainy and bad it looks. So really, ISO, you want it as low as you can be all the time. So I had it at 200s right now. 200s, anything below general rule of thumb, like 800 is probably good. So, but we had it at 200. So yeah, that's the three basic parts. I hope I explained it well enough. I know this is really quick, but I wanted a short video.